Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your media applications like YouTube on your PlayStation 5. So just on the home screen here, if we go up with the D-pad, we can see games and media right here. And this is where you will find your YouTube application. So go to the right to media, press X, and then here's YouTube. Now I have Spotify on here, but if we go to where it says Discover, go on down, and then go on over to All Apps. And you can find YouTube very easily. It should be one of the top applications. If not, go on down. Here it is at the bottom, YouTube. And then select it and download it to your PlayStation 5. Now, every time you start YouTube, it's going to be under Media. So it's not going to be on your main menu like the other games will. It's going to be under the Media section. So it's going to be separated. So we got to go up to the top to Media and then go over to YouTube and we can find it right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.